Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a little tutorial as well as showing you some of the things that I use for my skincare routine. I wash my face at night and in the morning time to help prevent breakouts. I have oily skin, so I have to wash my face 2 times a day. And some of the products that I use to wash my face with is this Castile soap from Dr. Barner's. It's really good. I got the one with tea tree. Tea tree is really good for your skin when it comes to you developing inflammation or acne on your skin, and tea tree helps dry it out. I also use sometimes this black soap, which is from Shea Moisture. That's really good too. Especially helps with lightening up dark spots. I have some discoloration in my skin, but you just move on with it. Another thing that I use when I have some breakouts coming on, I use alcohol, rubbing alcohol. That helps as well. It helps dry your acne out as well. I use this. This is by Acne Free 10 Terminator 10. I've been using this since like 2009, 2010. It's really good for your skin. Which the best way to use this is you wash your face, put some alcohol on that spot, and put this on your skin. And it basically, when you wake up in the morning, it will help dry your skin, dry your pimple out. Another oil that I use on my skin, I got this at Marshall's. This is really good for your skin. This was $5.99 at Marshall's. They have different type of like stuff, and this smells like oranges. And what I do with that, I just put a couple of drops on my forehead, on my cheek, around my jawline, and I just rub it in. Also, some moisturizer that I use is this right here. You can get this anywhere. I got mine from Walmart, and a little goes a long way. You don't need a lot. It's oil control, and it has sunscreen. So sunscreen is very good for your skin when you have some discoloration going on. And on my lips, I just use some Carmex. Nothing special. You can get this anywhere. And this not really setting spray, but facial spray I use is the Mario Badescu. You can get this at Ulta. They have bigger bottles, but I just got the smaller bottle. And I got the one that is aloe, cucumber, and green tea. And this smells really, really good. So I'm going to do like a very quick tutorial on how I wash my face. I'm just going to use this tea tree here. Soap, Castile soap. It's very thick. You don't need a lot. So I just wet my face and then put a little on my fingers and rub it in. Even though tea tree stinks, but it's really good for your skin, like, and your hair. If you have hair extensions in or braids in and you want to stop the itch, just get you some tea tree oil and it'll work. It'll help soothe the itch. And make sure you put some on your neck. I'm not going to do all that right now because, one, I'm in my living room doing this tutorial for you guys, and two, I'll do that later on tonight. So take your rag or whatever you're using and just wipe the soap off. Wipe it off really good. Okay. And then I take a rag or a cloth and I dab my face. And sorry that I didn't come over here all fancy and stuff and whatnot, makeup on. I'll do another little tutorial later, eyebrows, but I just want to show you how I do my face. I'm not going to put any of this on. I'll wait till tonight to put this Acne Free Terminator 10 on. It's really good. So I'm going to take the drops and put some on my forehead, on my cheek, and I'm going to rub that in. I have a mirror behind me, y'all, so if I'm not looking in the camera, I'm looking in the mirror. I just don't want y'all to think I'm not paying attention or looking at y'all. Just rub it in. And then after I rub it in, it doesn't dry oily. It just dries dry, like soaks in your skin. So I just let that soak in. Then I'll put a little bit of moisturizer on. Like I said, a little on my forehead and on my cheeks, around my jaw. And then I just rub it in. I put some on my nose too, because in the wintertime, it's cold here in Tennessee, so my skin peels because it gets dry. And then I'll put some Mario Badescu on. Let that dry in. And some Carmex on my lips. And that's it. That's how I do my skincare routine. Do it at night and daytime, but only thing different at night I do is I put on aloe vera gel. And with aloe vera gel, it makes your skin feel real tight. So this spray right here works very great with that. And you can get that at Ulta. So that is my skincare routine. I would love for everybody to subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, comment below, as well as share this video to anybody else who has skincare problems or would like to learn a little regimen on how to take care of their skin. And I thank you guys for watching.